Today I'm going to teach you how to generate an Amazon QR code to open the app. This is a great way to quickly share products or your Amazon homepage with others, allowing them to scan and access content directly through the Amazon app on their mobile devices. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, sign into your account by entering your credentials. This step ensures that any QR code you generate will be linked to your personalized Amazon experience. After you've successfully logged in, right-click anywhere on the page. From the context menu that appears, select Create QR Code for this page. This action will instantly generate a QR code based on your current Amazon homepage. In the right panel of your browser, the QR code will appear. This code is now ready to be shared or saved, and anyone who scans it will be directed to the Amazon app, opening right to your homepage. Alternatively, if you want to create a QR code for a specific product, click the search bar at the top of the Amazon page. Type in your preferred product and press Enter. This will take you to the search results page where you can browse through available items. From the results displayed, click on your preferred item or product. This will open the product detail page where you can view all the specifications, reviews, and purchase options for that particular item. On the product page, select the color and size that best fits your needs. These selections ensure that the QR code you generate will direct users to the exact variant of the product you've chosen, making it easier for them to purchase the right item. Once you've made your selections, right-click anywhere on the product page. Again, from the context menu, select Create QR Code for this page. This generates a QR code specifically for this product with all your selected options. In the right panel, the QR code will appear just like before. If you want to save this QR code for future use or sharing, click the Download button located in the QR code panel. The code will then be saved to your device's default download folder. To view the downloaded QR code, navigate to the upper right corner of your browser and click on the Download section. From there, select Open to view the QR code image file. You can now use this QR code in your marketing materials, share it on social media, or send it directly to friends and family. And there you have it. You've successfully generated an Amazon QR code that opens directly in the app. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.